And so we get to add proofs. We get to add proofs with our double angle identities. So these questions say prove. You start off the same way as you prove everything else. Draw your line. And this is where at the beginning I said with cos 2 theta, you have some choice. And one of them is going to be better than the others, especially in a proof. So what happens in a proof is if you have a double angle, like cos 2 theta, sine 2 theta, tan 2 theta, secant 2 theta, anything 2 theta, your first job is to change it out of that. Now I would start on this one. I would start by changing my sine 2 theta, because what is my only option to change it to? So the only thing I can change sine 2 theta to is 2 sine theta cos theta. Now with your cos 2 theta, you have 3 options to trade in for that one there. And the way to figure out which one is the best is to look at the rest of what you have up there in the numerator. You see I have an extra plus 1? Do I have any plus 1s on this side? No. I don't like that plus 1. Okay? I don't like it at all. So which of the 3 cos 2 theta formulas would get rid of that plus 1? If I do the 2 cos squared theta minus 1, do you see that that minus 1 would cancel out with the plus 1? And then this side just becomes 2 cos squared theta over 2 sine theta cos theta. So I've got that side as a single fraction. It's in sine and cos. Maybe I go to my left side and say I'm going to change cotangent to sine and cos as well. And now how do I get them to be the same? Okay. So that you have the numerators are equal, then you multiply by 2. You could build the other side. Or you could say, I could simplify this. This would go away, right? And the 2's would go away. And then this side just becomes, I'm left with 1 cos theta on top. I still have a sine theta on the bottom. And we're all done. Okay, I'm going to get you to try proof number 2 right now. And after you've done proof number 2, the questions are 10, 11, and 17. And just like before, if cosecant of theta is 1 over sine of theta, then cosecant of 2 theta would be 1 over sine 2 theta.